Welcome back to Beautiful Home Design Ideas. Imagine this. You step outside your door and the very first thing you see is not just a patch of grass, but a small front yard transformed into a luxurious outdoor retreat. In 2025, garden design is no longer about size. It's about creativity, layering, and details that elevate even the tiniest spaces into breathtaking masterpieces. From rich textures and natural wood accents to elegant layering techniques, your front yard can feel like a high-end designer project without requiring acres of land. Today, I'll share 7 stunning luxury garden design ideas perfect for small front yards in 2025. These ideas are all about maximizing style, creating harmony, and giving your home that unforgettable curb appeal. Luxury garden design begins with texture. In 2025, the trend is to move away from flat lawns and embrace variety. Combine ornamental grasses with leafy perennials, add small evergreens for structure, and include flowering plants in different shapes and heights. This layering of textures makes the yard feel full and dynamic, while also adding depth. Imagine soft feathery grasses swaying against bold architectural plants like agave or yucca. Suddenly, your small space feels like a carefully curated oasis. The secret is contrast. Mix smooth leaves with rough bark, glossy foliage with matte textures. This not only adds visual richness but also creates a sensory experience, turning your front yard into a luxury escape. Nothing elevates a small space like the warmth of natural wood. For 2025, designers recommend incorporating wooden elements in clean, modern lines. Think vertical slatted fences, slim pergolas, or wooden edging for pathways. Wood instantly softens a garden and makes it feel inviting, while also blending seamlessly with greenery. You can use reclaimed wood for eco-luxury vibes or go for darker stained timbers for a more contemporary feel. Pair wood with stone or metal for balance. For example, a sleek wooden bench framed by black steel accents looks sophisticated and practical. Even small details like a wooden planter box or steps can give your front yard an upscale boutique look. When space is limited, layering is the key to creating a luxurious feel. Don't keep everything at the same level. Add tiers, raised beds, or staggered planting heights. Imagine tall planters at the entry, medium shrubs mid-level, and ground covers weaving at your feet. This layered design draws the eye upward and makes the space feel larger than it really is. You can even play with vertical gardens, hanging planters, or wall-mounted greenery to extend the garden beyond the ground. In 2025, layering is also about blending textures. Wood decking layered with stone pavers or soft plants set against a sleek water feature. Each layer adds richness, much like interior design does inside your home. Luxury is not just about what you see during the day. Lighting transforms a small garden into a magical retreat at night. This year, subtle, layered lighting is trending. Imagine a softly lit pathway guiding guests to your door, warm uplights highlighting trees or textured walls, and small lanterns adding a cozy glow near the seating area. Smart lighting systems now allow you to control brightness and color with ease, giving you flexibility to create moods for different occasions. The trick is to keep it understated. Luxury lighting doesn't scream, it whispers elegance. Even the smallest front yard can become enchanting when bathed in thoughtfully placed light. Before we continue, if you're enjoying these ideas, don't forget to subscribe to Beautiful Home Design Ideas. Hit the like button and leave me a comment about which front yard detail you'd love to try in your own space. Your support helps us create even more inspiring videos for you. In 2025, front yards are all about first impressions. A luxury garden uses pathways not just for function, but as a design feature. Instead of plain concrete, think natural stone slabs with grass joints, geometric tile patterns, or wooden deck-style walkways. These statement pathways instantly elevate the yard and guide the eye toward your front door. To add extra elegance, line the pathway with low plants, LED strip lighting, or sculptural planters. This small change creates a grand entryway, making even the tiniest yard feel like the entrance to a boutique hotel. Remember, your pathway is your red carpet. Luxury design is about sensory details, and nothing feels more indulgent than the sound of trickling water or the soft glow of fire. A small water feature, like a minimalist fountain or wall-mounted cascade, can bring peace and sophistication. Fire bowls or sleek built-in fireplaces add warmth and drama, making your yard usable year-round. In 2025, designers are embracing modern, compact versions of these elements, perfect for small yards. Pair a water feature with natural stone and wood for balance, or place a chic fire bowl near your seating area to create a cozy focal point. These details may seem small, but they instantly transport your front yard into luxury territory. Finally, luxury is about restraint. Instead of cluttering your front yard with too many decorations, choose a few high-quality pieces that make a statement. Think slimline wooden benches, stone side tables, or sculptural planters. Add accessories like outdoor cushions in neutral tones or metallic lanterns for a touch of glamour. The 2025 trend is leaning toward minimalist luxury, spaces that feel curated and calm, not overcrowded. By keeping the design simple yet intentional, every detail shines. Pair this with natural elements like wood, stone, and plants, and you create a balanced, inviting front yard that feels both stylish and timeless. And there you have it, 7 stunning design ideas that can turn even the smallest front yard into a luxurious, magazine-worthy garden in 2025. From textural planting and natural wood accents to the magic of lighting, layering, and statement pathways, it's the details that make all the difference. Luxury doesn't mean big, it means thoughtful, intentional, and beautiful. I hope this inspired you to see your own front yard in a new light, and maybe even start planning a transformation of your own. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with friends who love design as much as you do. Until next time, may your home and garden always reflect beauty, comfort, and timeless elegance.